Hello, Apsara.
Hi.
How are you doing? How should I call you? Apsara or Ankita?
Sir, of course.
Oh, sure. Okay. What is the talk about movie?
So, about the movie, I'm very excited and I'm getting good reviews. A lot of people have booked it. Like, I'm getting a lot of messages on Instagram that they've booked it, and my friends, everybody has booked it, and it's few hours to go. So, I'm very excited.
Okay. So the best compliment from RGV garu. What is that?
I've got a lot of compliments for him. But I think best compliment what he said in that day in life, that everything of Apsara is acting in the film. Every part of her body has something. So we did a lot of detailing on my sweat that comes out of here, on my stomach, on my neck. So we did a lot of detailing. So he compliments me a lot.
Yeah. Okay. Are you happy with the online release? Because your dream is to become a heroine. Yeah, you became, of course. You deserve it.
Thank you.
But online release is okay for you?
I think this is Corona time, and there's a lot of flood and all happening in Odisha and north areas. So people are anyway struggling, and if I'm getting to do something that I love, I think I should not, throw tantrums. I should love whatever it is, and my focus is basically on people who are suffering. If I can give them a 25 minutes of entertainment, and if they can forget their tensions, I think my job is done.
Okay. Okay. आपका friends देखा क्या movie?
Yeah, they have booked already. They're sending me that they have pre-booked, and my friends are so excited.
आपने बोला पहले इंटरव्यू में कभी भी आप तो कुछ करते हैं ना, ओ दे यूज टू पुल डाउन यू in terms of what?
In my school, I have always been bullied. For example, if there'll be 20 girls, 30 girls in the class, and if anybody used to touch me, they used to do like touch ho gaya, and they had this problem with me, and
Why so?
because I was good in everything, so I was competition in everything.
Okay.
So
Out of jealous.
Yeah, you can say jealous. And you know what used to happen? So for example, 2030, it's a games period. We are in 8th 9th standard, like we are kids, and there are like 20-30 girls playing with a ball or volleyball or something, and if I used to go and join, they all used to leave. So that kind of bully I have faced. And even in college, I used to not get to perform on stage. RGV sir took me in the film after seeing my dance. Okay. And in audition only in college they used to put me out in dancing. So I have people have always tried to pull me down. Also because my college, these rich kids used to come, and we come from very normal family. We used to didn't know fashion sense that time. I used to wear very normal clothes, and I used to wear these boys wala shoes, and so they used to make fun of me, and they used to tease me. So I used to tell mom कि मम्मी सब मुझे ऐसे treat कर रहे हैं, मेरे पास ये क्यों नहीं है, वो क्यों नहीं है. So she used to tell me that you've got something that nobody else has, and you're very special and you're different. That's why.
Okay. Have you ever teased anyone?
Teased anyone? Yeah. So when I became a senior in college, because I was ragged when I was a junior. So when I became senior, I ragged my juniors.
Oh, how?
Yeah.
How it was?
It was fun. Like it was a fun ragging, and so I made them do some task and things. So it was fun, and whoever I ragged, they became my friends and very good friends later. So so like that I have teased. And some, in college, one guy who's looking at me constantly in library, who's constantly staring at me, okay, and he's a senior. So what I thought, I just went to him, I'm like, छोटू क्या करना है, पढ़ाई तो तू कर नहीं रहा है, मैं कर रही हूँ तो मुझे घूर रहा है, क्या करना है, कॉफ़ी पीना है तेरे को, चल कैंटीन में कॉफ़ी पिलाती हूँ मैं. लाइक नहीं मैंने नहीं देखा. I'm like, why you offended? I'm not minding it. It's okay. मैं देख रहा है, ठीक है, पढ़ तो रहा नहीं है तो चल. So he got offended, and
you so mature then.
Yeah, it's like cool. I think. Yeah, if he's looking at me and see, obviously he finds me pretty, that is why he's looking at me, and he's not doing anything indecent. So that's why I just said it in a friendly way, and he got scared and offended.
When I see you on pictures and all videos, I thought you are maybe little aged. I mean maybe 25, in between. But you're looking like a kid, child, very childish face.
Yeah. So you mean I don't look good on screen? I look good in real life.
Yeah, even better.
Oh. So I'll tell RGV sir to show me how I look in real life. Show me like that.
He showed you actually so matured.
The character, that is little mature character, and the kind of story it is like that maybe.
Are you able to carry that look?
Yes, I think I've done a good job, and obviously I had some issues, some doubts, which constantly, how to maintain a character, how to maintain a character flow and things, because I have not learnt acting. I have done engineering, so that is nowhere in my, thing. So I had a lot of doubts, and I asked him, so that's how it happened.
Can we talk in Telugu? Because this is anyways Telugu channel. Many people say it.
I don't know Telugu. You can talk. I understand a little bit. I talk very less. I can understand few words. And
Shall we try a tongue twister in Telugu?
to send Telugu, please teach me normal lines, not tongue twister.
You learned something. You learned something in Telugu, right?
Yeah, I learned Ela Unnaru. Yes, greetings, and have you had food, and
Again, you are telling in English only.
okay, annam tinnara, and if someone wants to sit kurchundi, and vastunanu means I'm going.
Vastunana means I'm coming.
Okay, vastunanu means coming. Veltunanu means going. Things like that.
Who is teaching you? Is RGV garu teaching you something?
No, he doesn't talk to me.
always speaks in
English, yeah. But people around me, whoever is talking in Telugu, so I try to concentrate, I try to listen, what are they saying? So that's how I'm learning it.
The period also very short period, no? How long?
It's been, I've entirely, I must have spent here 4 or 5 months.
Okay, 4 or 5 months.
Not now, before also I had come, like beach mein 15 days, 20. I think in total must be 4 months, 5 months here.
Okay. Whenever if someone says Hyderabad, दिमाग में क्या आता है first?
Lucky place.
Lucky place.
Yeah, because Hyderabad is somewhere where I could make my identity as Apsara, and I could actually prove myself. So it is very lucky place for me.
When we say Hyderabad, first person who comes in your mind?
Oh, RGV sir. Yes.
Now. Okay.
Before, I think before I just met normal people. I was not very attached to anybody, or I didn't know anybody that personally. If I worked also basic work and stuff, but RGV sir, I am so much, I always question him 10 things, and he gets irritated with me, but I still question him, because he's so intelligent that I want to learn so much from him, because see, I have just started in acting, and if I'm getting to work with such a big director, because I have like a whole ocean ahead of me to learn. I've just started, and so I question him so much, and I like getting to know things. So him, yes.
Yeah, I heard that you have participated in some beauty competition, Miss Bangalore you got, right?
I won Miss Bangalore first runner-up in 2016, and Miss University India in 2016. I won these 2 pageants.
Okay. After that,
I did modeling for 1.5 year successfully. Very good modeling I did. But I felt modeling, I don't need to express anything. I just have to be blank and pose. So I learned fashion, because I didn't know fashion, I told you, right? So in college I used to wear like boys' clothes and go to, so then modeling taught me fashion, how to do makeup, how to do your hair, how to, what do you wear with what, things like that. So I learned that from modeling, and then I used it in acting.
okay, maybe that helped to RGV sir to show you the pictures and all very fashionable.
Yes.
ఆర్జీవి గారి గురించి ఏమన్నా అడిగితే ఫస్ట్ ఏమనిపిస్తుంది? జనరల్లీ హీ ఆల్సో సెడ్ దట్ యూ క్యారీడ్ పెప్పర్, right?
Yeah, actually obviously I didn't tell him when I had it in my pocket. I didn't tell him. I told him after the shoot of Thriller.
You always do that?
No, but like I keep it in my bag, but when I went to his office I kept it in my pocket.
Why? I think it is intentionally happened.
Because the media says these like I thought he's a big director, and he has so much name. Yeah, he must be something, and he might do something to me. Then I will take out my pepper spray. If someone affects me in a bad way, I will obviously save myself.
And alone?
No, I went with my mom. Even then, I kept. What will mom do? And you don't know people, no? Well, now I know him. He's very good human. But that time, because you don't know, right, how these big directors are and this.
Have you ever carried before also?
Before in bag, but because I met these normal directors or.
You never used it, right?
I bought it in college when I had this incident of 4 or 5 bikes following me. I was going on my bike, and 4 or 5 bikes, these old guys like 28, 30 or like really old guys, they were following me, and I got super scared, and I was supposed to go home alone because I had the key. Mom and dad were at work. So I thought कि अगर मैं घर पे चाबी खोल के जाऊँगी, अगर ये लोग आ गए तो क्या होगा? I was so scared that day. And I was terrified. I couldn't go home, so I was roaming on the bike only because घर पे जाती तो ये लोग attack ना कर दे करके. So that day I bought. After that day I bought.
Sometimes it happens to every girl almost. Yeah, a good option actually. Anyways.
Because pepper spray में 3 घंटे, I think 2 to 3 hours a guy will be blind. After that he'll be fine. So your work is also done. The other guy.
You don't need even 2 to 3 hours. Half an hour is okay to escape.
So it is like a good option. You can use it without thinking. You can use it.
So let's try one tongue twister for a fun. Okay. This is our Telugu tongue twister. Very well known. Okay. Aru tella lareelu, aru erra lareelu. Aru tella lareelu, aru erra lareelu.
Aru తెల్లలారీలు.
Okay, try. 6 తెల్ల లారీలు, 6 ఎర్ర లారీలు.
6 తెల్ల లారీలు, 6 ఎర్ర లారీలు.
Lorry, you know. Lorry. English.
Lorry.
Four-wheeler vehicle. Lorry, you know, right? Yeah, that's it. 4. Now again. 4 తెల్ల లారీలు, 4 నల్ల లారీలు.
4 తెల్ల లారీలు, 4 తెల్ల లారీలు.
4 తెల్ల లారీలు, 4 నల్ల లారీలు. 4 తెల్ల లారీలు, 4 ఎర్ర లారీలు.
4 తెల్ల లారీలు, 4 ఎర్ర లారీలు.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Continuously saying లాలీలు instead of లారీలు. Lorry.
Please don't laugh at me, people. I'm so funny.
Right, well, it's fine. Even I'm not getting any tongue twister. Otherwise,
Your tongue twister, you have to say.
Oh my god, in which language?
In English. It's a common one. Betty bought a bit of butter, but the butter was little bitter. So she bought some more butter to make bitter butter better butter.
I can't even give it a try. It is very difficult.
It's easy. Betty is the name of a girl. Betty bought a bit of butter.
Okay.
But I forgot. Betty bought a bit of butter, but the butter was little bitter. Okay. So she bought some more butter to make bitter butter better butter.
Try for some time because I am not that good at English. That is why.
I just knew something. The bad thing I did, I wanted to cover that.
You want to trouble me?
Yes, to trouble you equally.
Okay. What are the Telugu lines from your thriller movie?
We shot in Hindi, and so the main language was Hindi.
Okay.
And then it was dubbed in 11 languages, like including Hindi. It was dubbed. So I dubbed for Hindi and Odia. Odia is also not good. My Odia is not good because
You are from Odisha.
Yeah. Because my dad is in defense, so we had posting here and there. So I could not learn reading and writing Odia. I know only little speaking, and that also accent is bad, and so, but I managed to do the dubbing for Hindi and Odia.
You know Kannada? No. Miss Bangalore?
Yeah, because I live there.
Okay. Still you didn't learn it.
But the main girl who they wanted, Kannada girl, so who won was a Kannada girl.
Okay.
Who used to talk in Kannada, but I didn't know how to talk in Kannada.
कभी भी सीरियस हुआ क्या RGV सर आपके ऊपर?
एक बार सेट पे so he told me, not serious, he actually pampers me a lot, but set पे he wanted me to remember the lines, and because of this Telugu films and Telugu dialogues, I was used to prompting. So So he told me, okay, we will shut the camera. You take 10 minutes break. You read, learn, and then come. So I was so scared कि मुझे याद नहीं हुआ था. So but then within 5 minutes I memorized it. Because of pressure I did it in 5 minutes.
Because of pressure, we might confuse even more.
But I was so much in pressure, I had no option to confuse. I read it in I memorized it perfectly, and I came. I was like, sir, ho gaya. Then I did the lines perfectly. But not seriously. Just said कि you take your time, you do it. I'll give you 10 minutes, 15 minutes you want, and then do it. That was the only time. Time is little serious, but never angry.
Okay, I think he is so mad at you. I saw some pictures and all. No, he looks like so intense towards you. I mean, the happiness in his face and all. You felt same?
Yes, actually, he likes me a lot, and he tells me that he can see, he can see a lot of potential in me. Which is, I have not got this from a lot of people. Only my mom says that you will do very great. And after my mom, I would say my dad and my brother, they support me. But that vision, I think after my mom, RGV sir has. My mom says that she's my biggest fan, and she is. And I think after that, RGV sir also, he looks like he wants to capture me. He's so, passionate about that I think he really likes me as an actor and the way I look and everything. So that excites him to capture me and to make this kind of film, this song, this. So he always talks about that.
Okay, this question might be wrong, but I had to ask. Generally, RGV sir, he himself says that yes, of course, if I like women, I do flirt. आपका ऊपर भी हुआ क्या ऐसा कुछ?
So he compliments me a lot, and but I sort of know him now. So I know he's complimenting me on what why he's complimenting me, because if he likes me, his liking of me is gonna be because okay, your lips are so beautiful, so he will capture my lips for Zoom. He is thinking like that. That is why he is praising me. So I understand that, because now I know him so well that I don't really mind, and if he compliments me, I actually that puts a lot of confidence in me. That helps me. Yeah.
So what is your favorite food?
Oh my god, momos and pizza and McD burger and a lot of food, but I'm not allowed to eat right now. I'm on diet. I lost 4 kgs and I have to lose 2 more kgs for the film.
For thriller movie?
No, for the next. Yeah, thriller film. I'm a little chubby because that's how they wanted. Now I've lost, after thriller, I've lost a little weight.
4 kilos?
3 after thriller, 3. And before, so while doing thriller, I lost 1 kg and then 2 more to go. So I food. I'm very big foodie, but now I'm not eating all that.
Okay, how many offers you got after thriller?
So manager got like 25 to 30 calls for a lot of films, but I have not seen the scripts and stuff like that. So once I see the script, depends on how important my character is and how good I'm going to be shown, and depending on that, I'll sign a film.
Okay, usually our Telugu people, what they think is if we do one bold kind of movie for the first time, then later on అలాంటి మూవీస్ రావడం కొంచెం ఐ మీన్ అన్నీ అవే వస్తాయి, లేదంటే వేరే ఆప్షన్స్ రావు అన్నట్లుగా ఉంటుంది. సో ఆ ఫీలింగ్ నుంచి బయటికి రావడానికి వాట్ ఆర్ యువర్ ప్లాన్స్?
So see, to be very honest, doing RGB film was never in my plan, because I come from a very normal family. So whatever good opportunity, what my plan is, we live in present. So if I'm doing thriller, I want to nail it to perfection. If I get another film, if I like it, I want to do that also properly. I think planning ahead is just a waste of time, and that is not in our hand. What is in our hand is the present. So live in the present and do your best in the present, and future ka God always has better plans. Leave it on him.
Oh, okay, nice. Whoever works with RGV garu, even before Rapaka also, Rapaka Sri also talks like you, very smiling and very talkative, and of course very bold. She never cares about anything. Yeah. And next,
I care a lot about people because I believe that an artist is nothing without the audience. There's no point of me doing an art or doing any enacting any character without the audience. So I really care about the audience, and I feel people, rather than only me seeing the bold, like seeing me in the bold character, people should see my honesty, that being a normal girl, like whoever is watching me right now, I was just sitting there a month or 2 months back. I was that normal, just looking at actresses on YouTube and stuff. So I am just so honest towards my ambition, that I'm doing bold stuff so confidently. So I think whoever wants to understand will understand that.
कुछ नॉटी थिंग याद है क्या? चाइल्डहुड में कुछ किया नॉटी थिंग विच योर मदर ऑल्सो नोज दैट?
So what I used to do is my brother's exam. My mom is laughing. So my brother's gonna hate me for saying this. So what my brother used to hate studying. Till his engineering, he used to hate studying. I was very good at studying. Okay. And it became opposite. His engineering, he did very well, and I was opposite. I didn't want to study. Okay. So school time, I was so good. I used to get good marks, and he used to get bad marks. So once what happened, the exam paper, he had hidden it in his bag. So once, like, my dad is a military guy, like he's an Air Force guy, so bhaiya ko to he used to give him left, right, properly. He used to get a lot of beatings. Not me, because I was very sincere and I was a girl, so I used to not get, he used to get. Okay. So what I did, my dad just came from office, and as I was just waiting, okay, and as soon as he came, I took his exam sheet and he got less marks, and I went and I gave it to my dad. My brother got crazy beating. Even till today he fights with me because of that.
Regret feel కాలేదా ఎప్పుడు?
No, it's okay.
It's okay.
Still okay. Is he angry with you because of that incident?
What option does he have? He has to tolerate me. So when he was small and I was not born, whenever he used to see anybody's kid and any girl, he used to be like, I want a sister, I want a sister. He used to cry so much that he used to faint, and he used to lie on the floor and cry. तो आ गई, तो अभी भी मैंने बोला इतना रो के बुलाया, तो अभी भी रो.
और कुछ है क्या ऐसा?
और कुछ है क्या मामा? और भी बहुत कुछ है. I cannot tell embarrassing situations. School mein actually I was very serious. Now you're seeing me smiling and laughing so much. School mein, because of the bully I used to get, I had become a very serious girl and very less talkative. Okay. Yeah, and also I didn't have this confidence of going and talking to anybody, because nobody used to come and talk to me. So I had become this serious girl who just sits alone in the class and does her work.
Have you seen that Princess Diary movies? Because you telling your character just resembling the same character.
Have you seen that
film? No. Princess Diaries, it is available on Amazon or Netflix, I don't remember. Same kind of character.
Whatever you're saying.
You are beautiful. Still, she is also beautiful. Still bullied.
Yeah, but I don't know why this bully and all happens. So I have never done this in my life, and nor I will ever do.
Okay.
I don't know, some people do it, they feel good.
Do you have any favorite political leader?
Modi, Narendra Modi.
Oh, okay.
Modi ji is doing really good to the country, I feel, and I think India is in the correct hands. And Jai Modi, Jai Bharat.
Oh, okay. Local politician?
Local politician, I don't know. I don't think anybody is that favorite.
Any great personalities like Mother Teresa, such kind of.
So I play, Bhagat Singh.
Very nice.
Yeah, Bhagat Singh. So I've watched his films at least 30 times.
Oh.
Yeah, Bhagat Singh, the film that Ajay Devgan has done.
Yeah.
And he really inspires me. But one thing that I still cannot, digest, that he died at the age of 21, which is like super bad. And but I cannot thank these people enough that they have given their life away for us to live in freedom these days. But I think we are playing a lot with the nature. That's why the nature is playing back with us with Corona.
Oh yeah. Are you afraid of it?
Not really afraid of it, but I'm afraid if I'm afraid for my parents and for my people who are a little older. But for me, I'm not very afraid because I think young people, it is little it's okay. And also because I work out so much, and we young people, we eat proper healthy food, so I'm not afraid for myself.
We don't worry about us. We always consider older people.
It's for my parents, because if I'm going somewhere, I should not be a carrier to anybody. That is the only attention that I have.
Even just recently, of course, I'm not allowed to talk about it still. Even RGV got cold, severe fever and all. Some rumors were there.
There were rumors.
Still, rumors only?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it was rumors only because I met him last evening to watch the film.
Continuously working with
Yes, I'm constantly, and last evening around like 7ish, I went to watch the film, and in the big screen, my thriller with the sound and everything. So he is like absolutely fine. He's he works out like me. After my gym, so we have this private gym for us, for our team, because we don't want corona to enter our team. So after my workout, after half an hour, he comes, he works out daily. And I think I don't know why people are, he's really fit, like for his age, he's super fit.
Okay. So హిందీ మూవీస్ ఎక్కువ చూస్తుంటారా?
Yeah, I watch Hindi films.
Hindi.
హిందీ ఆర్ ఇంగ్లీష్ ఏది ఎక్కువ చూసే అవకాశం?
I watch English series, English films, and a lot of films. Last film I watched was a little old film, The Reader, Kate Winslet, the Titanic heroine.
Okay.
Yeah, so her film I watched, amazing film.
Okay.
I wonder why that level of films have to be made in India also. I so badly want. At least I think for that to happen, Indian people have to be a little less judgmental, have to have a little open mind to accept it. Yeah.
Okay.
क्योंकि हम लोगों को देखने में बहुत मज़ा आता है कि फॉरेन में इतना अच्छा मूवी हो रहा है, यहाँ पे होता है तो बोलते हैं इतना बोल्ड कर लिया, इतना ये कर लिया, that has to change, I think.
इधर प्रॉब्लम तो वही रहेगा मे बी.
So
For next
10 years also it might be the same.
yeah, so I think people who think like that, let them think. For me, I don't think like that. I'm not conservative. I am very open to cinema, international cinema, so I have stopped thinking like that. I see everything as art and as talent and as actors, and I respect everybody equally. So I think people who are thinking like that, it's up to them.
And last and final question, చాలా ఇంటర్వ్యూస్ ఇచ్చి మేబీ కొంచెం ఎగ్జాస్ట్ అయిపోయిన ఫీలింగ్ కలుగుతుంది, బోర్ అవుతుంది, వెక్స్ అయిపోయే అవకాశం ఉంది. అఫ్కోర్స్ ఆర్జీవి గారు, ఐ డోంట్ నో హౌ హీ ఈజ్ ఏబుల్ టు మేనేజ్ సో మెనీ ఇంటర్వ్యూస్. అండ్ మీకు ఎప్పుడైనా అలా అనిపించిందా? Same exhaust.
I love my job and talking about my film and me, and you're being so nice to me, and it's entertaining to meet new people and have a conversation. Yeah, so you taught me a new tongue twister. I taught you I tried to teach you a tongue twister.
In fact, mine was very bad. I think I mixed some different lines. But yours is proper one. I didn't even try.
It's fun. It's just, I meet someone and I get to talk to new people. I get to learn something. I get to share something. It's just nice.
ఓకే, ఫ్రమ్ యువర్ ఎండ్ తెలుగులో లైన్స్ చెప్పి ఎండ్ చేద్దాము. తెలుగులో థ్రిల్లర్ మూవీ చూడండి అని ఒక రిక్వెస్ట్.
Or please give me all the love and support, and thank you for everything. Thriller movie, Student. Thank you.
Thank you so much.